Hi, I'm Dean with Veloci Performance products. Today, we're talking about custom kits. Did you know that many of our dealers create custom kits for their customers and their specific needs? Dealers work with their customers daily and know what products they want. With that knowledge, we're able to work with dealers to create new kits, simplifying the ordering and retail processes. Plus, creating a kit results in a singular part number, meaning instead of having to order many parts to fulfill customer orders, a dealer receives all items in a comprehensive kit, packaged and ready to sell, saving our dealers time and money. And the kit build is completed right here in our 38,000 square foot warehouse and distribution center by our team of employees dedicated to helping our dealers create kits that help their customers keep things clean. And by working with Veloci to bring the kits to market, those dealers are eligible to receive exclusivity on the kits they build. For example, the premium hose reel kit, Sean Morrison on our sales team worked with one of his dealers to develop this, and it's one of their best-selling items. Let's check out a few of the other kit builds. The MTM Hydro SG35 and stainless DLE dual lance kit, which cuts down assembly time for dealers, is sold across the industrial sector. And the MTM Hydro Weekend Warrior Pro, a 50-foot sewer jetting kit developed by customers for customers, allowing people to save money with minimal setup time. Have a great idea for a kit but don't want to share it with anyone else? Veloci is happy to offer exclusivity on certain items or kits just for you. Join a growing number of Veloci dealers in their endeavor to outgrow their competition through exclusive products. Do you have an idea for a custom kit? Contact your Veloci sales rep today.